STYLER, who we are. Quick facts. We create and produce wall decoration, including pictures, mirrors, and photo frames. Our production hall is located in Kraków, Poland. We have been in the market for 30 years and have customers in 35 countries. In total, we make 150,000 products per month. We also ask our customers why we are unique. They think it's because of our systems that respond to the pyramid of business needs. Let's see what they say about must-have. STYLER meets my basic business needs. They have system of quality control. The level of complaints is under 0.1%. Flexible delivery conditions. Shipping one piece per design with the minimum from €350. And OTIF ratio, that is 95%. The customers who care about business safety say, "We really like the sale guarantee system, so no risk for start." Products which are on sale for at least 6 months in at least 3 chains have a sale guarantee. They are selected by STYLER's creation team. Products with a sale guarantee can be returned in case of no sale. At the top of the pyramid, there is comfort. S&E storage and exposition system works great. STYLER takes care of it all. They analyze customers' needs and current assortment in store. In the end, they make a planogram and special exposition, also including current bestsellers of other suppliers. The system brings specific benefits, save time, and increase of sales by 30%. To sum up, there are specific business needs, and we have answers to them. That's why we are unique. Thank you.